Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Coinbase account. First, make sure your Coinbase account is verified and that the name on your payment method matches the name on your account. To add a payment method, sign into Coinbase, click your profile icon, go to Settings, then Payment Methods, and select Add a Payment Method. You can link your bank account, debit card, or PayPal. To deposit with a bank account, click Deposit Cash, enter the amount, select your bank account, review the details and click Deposit Now. Bank transfers may take a few business days. If you want to buy crypto instantly, click Buy and Sell, choose the cryptocurrency, enter the amount, select your debit card or PayPal as the payment method, review the order and confirm the purchase. That's all. Depositing money into Coinbase is quick and easy once your payment method is linked. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Coinbase tutorials.